Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today let me show you how to create how-to guides in minutes. So for example, we want to create an how-to guides on how to install WordPress. So I'll go on my search and search for WordPress. We want people to know how we are going to be able to download WordPress on our computer, right? So now what we are going to do is we are going to go to tango.us and then we shall go ahead and install a free Chrome extension. So we click on that link and we go to add to Chrome, then add extension. So our extension will be downloaded and added to Chrome. So it will ask you to create a free account. So you can just enter your email address or sign in with Google. So it will lead you to a survey. You can check this, choose what you do, and it will ask you what tools would you plan to document. So there it will create for you a workspace. So we are going to try to capture. It's asking us for a lot of surveys. So capture has started. Next, 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 submit. Then you check here. So this is what it has. So now let's try out with our own example. We're gonna go to Google search. We go to extensions. We click on Tango and then we shall click on start capture. So capture has started. Look for WordPress, download, and then we go to download WordPress, and then we shall click on download WordPress. Then we shall click on download WordPress 6.4, and then our download will be here. So you can try WordPress for free. You can go through the installation guide if you need to. You can learn WordPress. You go to documentation and it will give you all the technical guides, installation procedure. That is when your WordPress is done downloading. Otherwise, for this experiment, this is all that we had and how to create how-to guides on Tango. So once we are done with this, we're just going to click on submit. So we are going to rename this Navigating WordPress Download and Installation. So it has already created for us an automatic title. So you can see the step it created. Look for WordPress, download on Google, and then click on download WordPress, and then go to download, and then download the version of WordPress. You can go through a demo, learn all that. So what you can do now, we can share and continue. That is if you're done editing. So you can share it with people through their email, or we are just going to export it here. So you can copy it as HTML, or you can copy it as a markdown. That is if you're writing a documentation, or you can simply download the PDF. So you can just click copy, and then you can paste it in Microsoft Word or any other document you're using to write a documentation or a step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other tool you recommend for documentation, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.